Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinky Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Belle Tress Dalgona 16-inch wig review. I am wearing Dalgona in the beautiful color Cream Soda Blonde, which is the unrooted version of Butterbeer Blonde. Well, let's get started. Dalgona 16-inch has a sheer temple-to-temple lace front that's 100% hand-tied. It also has a left-hand side part, which is 100% hand-tied. The fabric mesh at the top, at the side of the part, has a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and lift. On either side, you have fabric ear tabs that are adjustable. In the back, you have a slender nape with bra-like adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. This wig features a sheer lace front that's 100% hand-tied and offers a natural-looking hairline for off-the-face styling options. This wig features a broad left-hand side hand-tied monofilament part. It's well done. If you wanted a wider parting space, you could carefully pluck fibers along the part. I just love the modern, edgy, and texturized waves of Dalgona 16. It comes right out of the box looking like this. Now, if you'd like to soften the look a little bit, you can just use your fingers to comb it out, or you could always use a wide tooth comb, and this will loosen the wave pattern a little bit and create a softer look. And I just love the fiber. It's heat friendly, which means you can style it up to 350 degrees. And it's so soft and silky to the touch. We can also take a look at the ponytail, wearing the style behind the ear, wearing the style in an updo. There's so many options. All in all, I'm very pleased with Dalgona 16-inch. This is a beautiful wig. I love the length. There's plenty of volume. The wave pattern is just beautiful and flattering to most face shapes. The wig cap size on this wig is 22 inches in circumference, which is an average cap. Now that's my head size. This wig fits me snug right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting, so I don't feel that this style would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference. Now if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear Dalgona 16, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Now if you're interested in purchasing this style by Belle Tress, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. You know, I've received wigs from Pinky Promise for more than a couple of years, and I'm very happy with the customer service. They can also help you select a color if need be. Now when you get to the Pinky Promise website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about great sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.